What's up guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to perform a super finisher in WWE 2K26. Performing a super finisher is really easy. For that, firstly pause your game, then go into moves and select the superstar whose super finisher you want to try. So I have CM Punk here, that's why I have selected CM Punk. If you want to try another one, then press R1 or RB and then you'll be able to see another superstar. Then go into the finisher section, scroll down here and you'll find an super finisher. So CM Punk has two finishers. First one is this, which is super finisher. Then the second one is also super finisher. To try this finisher, we need to put our opponent into the corner like this and then we'll be able to perform the super finisher. For second one, we need to put our opponent onto the top corner and then we can perform the super finisher. So I want to try this one. For that, I need to put my opponent into the corner first, then the prompt will appear in order to perform the super finisher. But before that, make sure you have 3 finishers stored on your player. You can see I have first finisher, second and third, so all of those need to be stored. Then go toward your opponent. So I want to put him into the corner. For that, I need to Irish sweep into the corner. To do that, press B twice on Xbox, circle twice on PlayStation or L twice on PC and then move your left stick into the direction of that corner. Go toward him and then the super finisher prompt will appear. We need to press that button. On Xbox, press RT plus A. On PlayStation, press R2 plus cross. On PC, press Ctrl plus K and the super finisher will be performed. Just go into the move section in order to check your super finisher for your superstar. So this is the process. Hope this helps. If it did, please like this video and subscribe my channel. For now, thanks for watching. Bye bye.